With assembly elections due in Jammu and Kashmir soon, Home Minister Amit Shah met a Jammu and Kashmir governor on Saturday. The governor said that elections are not his prerogative but rather the election commission's. Jammu and Kashmir governor also briefed Shah on the ground situation in the valley and the development initiatives there. Remember, President's rule was imposed in Jammu and Kashmir after the PDP-BJP alliance fell through last June.
अमरनाथ यात्रा पे हम लोग बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, हम उसको सफल करेंगे। चुनाव के बारे में मेरा कोई एजेंडा नहीं है, चुनाव उस पर कोई चर्चा नहीं हुई। बेसिकली आई ब्रीफ्ड हिम अबाउट द ग्राउंड सिचुएशन, जो डेवलपमेंट का काम हो रहा है वो उनको बताया, नोट भी दिया सारा कुछ, क्या वहाँ हालात हैं, सारी चीज़ें वो बताई। और ज़्यादातर तो बात उन्होंने जिस तरह से काम किया है उसी की सराहना करने में चला गया।
Right. My colleague, National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav is on the phone line with me right now. Rahul, what is the central government's thinking? How soon will they possibly go ahead with elections in Jammu and Kashmir?
Follow me, Amit Shah as Home Minister has come in largely, and the expectation is that he will represent a muscular policy. Now, the muscular policy involves a crackdown on the separatists and others like stone pelters, those who abet them. Already, which has been going on for the first time in history, we have had income tax raids being carried out against people who are actively involved in abetting terror and separatist feelings in Jammu and Kashmir. But beyond that, if we notice the Lok Sabha elections, the public participation has been poor. And that is why, to create a positive groundswell in Jammu and Kashmir, away from the bullet for a ballot, is one task for Amit Shah. The second is to ensure that the spike in terror activities in the last 5 years, 176% increase in terror activity, a huge rise in the number of personnel killed, although terrorists also have been killed, that goes down.
Right.
To ensure that, Amit Shah will have to have a broader blueprint in which security plus having an election will be the key task.
Right. Rahul, thank you so much for all of those details.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.